Hi. Welcome. Incredibly and powerful. Zenfone phone, Asus Zenfone 9 technical specification. Asus Zenfone 9. Compact size. The ultra-compact, ultra-stylish, and ultra-speedy Zenfone 9 fits perfectly in your hand, yet it packs a big punch thanks to the premium Snapdragon registered A+ Gen 1 mobile hassle-free unlocking. Unlock your Zenfone 9 by touching your thumb on the conveniently located sensor on the power button at the right side of the phone. It's as simple as that. Just a touch, and you're in. We've banished the hassle. It's compact, but it's incredibly powerful. Zenfone 9 uses the flagship Snapdragon registered A+ Gen 1 mobile platform to give you smooth and responsive performance, whatever you're doing. Design. Compact size fits perfectly in one hand. Body dimensions 146.5 by 68.1 by 9.1 mm, 5.77 by 2.68 by 0.36 in. Weight 169 grams, 5.96 ounces. Performance. Unbeatable performance, ultra-fast 5G. Qualcomm registered. Snapdragon registered A+ Gen 1. CPU octa-core 3.19 GHz. Internal 128GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 8GB RAM, 256GB 16GB RAM. GPU Adreno 730. Display type Super AMOLED, 120Hz, size 5.9 inches, 84.4 square centimeters. Resolution 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 ratio, ~445 pixel density. Build glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus, polymer back, aluminum frame. Always on display. Camera. Steady, stable and sharp images, always. Big on photography. Main camera, dual 50MP, f/1.9, 23.8 mm, wide, 1.56, 1.0 micrometers, DAF, gimbal OIS. Selfie camera single 12MP. LED flash, HDR, panorama. Selfie camera single 12MP, 1.22 micrometers, network. GSM/HSPA/LTE, 5G. SIM dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Sound loudspeaker yes, with stereo speakers. Comms LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/nac/6e. Bluetooth 5.2, A2DP. Battery. Type LiPo 4300 mAh, non-removable. Charging fast charging 30 watts. USB power delivery 3.0. Reverse charging. Radio no. USB Type-C 3.0, USB on the go. Features sensors fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Always on display. I sincerely appreciate your attention today. And that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Give your supports. Thank you.